Today we're going to look at the most exquisite watermill set in a wonderful location in the Loire Valley. Loire Valley has become very, very popular most recently, and it's an ideal location for weddings, chambre d'hôtes or any type of business. This current watermill that we're going to be looking at is very close to Chinon and Saumur, which are very, very popular areas, particularly for wine and in more popular for white wine. So it gets a lot of tourism. The property itself is set away amongst its own land, so you can't see it from anywhere. It's set within its own 1.5 hectares of land. It's currently run as a chambre d'hôte, so a bed and breakfast. And I would say, having looked at it, it's absolutely perfect for a wedding venue. I couldn't think of a more idyllic situation. So let's go and have a look at it now. So you can see this is the Indre River that is coming up to the property, and it crosses the Loire River. The property itself has a lot of history, and at one time Balzac, the famous writer, wrote a book here, and also the Calder, the famous artist, made his mobiles here. This is the bar area, so you see it's really great for entertaining, or the breakfast room or restaurant. So it lends itself to facilities for a venue of any sort, particularly weddings, because it's such a romantic place. And you can see that the current owners have beautifully styled it. I mean, they have such great taste. It's beautifully styled. I could personally go and live there myself. And again, this for apéros or, a wedding reception, you come out and you have your glass of champagne overlooking this amazing river. So we come into the main house. This is beautifully renovated. It's over 3 floors. It has 2 terraces off the main house. All of the bedrooms are en suite, and as you can see, it's just beautifully decorated throughout. No expense spared, very, very high quality materials, and the decor is just fantastic. The great thing about this property as well, it's only 25 minutes from Tours, which is a major city in France, and also only 55 minutes to Paris on the train. So it makes it an ideal location for if you're having guests or people want a little piece of the countryside out in the Loire. It's very, very easy to get to. The properties combined actually have 10 bedrooms and 8 bathrooms, so there's a lot of scope. Upstairs here we have the owner's accommodation. They have their own suite, but again it could be used for something else. This is the second property, guest accommodation on the site. And again, very traditional. Beautifully restored fireplaces and loads of original features, full of character. Yet contemporary. It's full of old historical culture, and yet it's very, very contemporary. So it's very rare to find mills in such good condition. So let me know what you think about this particular mill. I mean, the style is fabulous. Subscribe to our channel, leave your comments below so that we can see the type of things that you like, and are you interested in viewing this property? Drop us a comment, but also look at our website, because all of the details for this particular mill will be on there, including room sizes, where it's situated, etc. So do have a look at our website. How idyllic is that situation? Little bridges and crossings and beautiful trees, original staircases, fabulous doors, children's room, and the cat. The great thing I've noticed about this property is mills can sometimes be quite dark, but this one has loads of light flooding in with the double aspect windows in nearly every room and shutters to keep out the heat. This again would make a wonderful honeymoon suite, this top floor, currently used as the owner's accommodation, but it would make a wonderful honeymoon suite. It's so romantic. And brides and grooms, I've noticed, always love the sort of slanting walls and the old beams. And the views of that fabulous river and waterfall coming down. You can see the location is so romantic, it's so pretty. It's just beautiful for a wedding or a romantic retreat. You know, if you're using it as a chambre d'hôte, which the current owners do, it is such a romantic retreat or little getaway to go to with lots of privacy. There's another outbuilding on the property which you can see here. This, I think, would lend itself to a wonderful spa. It's currently used as a bureau, an office space, but you could have a lovely little spa massage room in there, which would be ideal, again, for the location setting and the romantic setting. And of course, you have a little gypsy caravan, which comes with the property as well. Again, a little bit of romance, a couple of little donkeys. I'm hoping they're not going to be pulling it, but I think it's quite static now. So such a unique property, and that's the great thing. Come and have a look at our website, because we tend to get properties that you just won't find anywhere else. They're located in amazing conditions, just like this one. So have a look at our website, have a look at the selection of properties we've got, and to come and look at this wonderful mill, then do contact us, and our agent Charlotte Field, who knows the area inside out, and particularly this property, will be more than happy to arrange a viewing for you. So thank you for your watching. Do register with us, and we hope to see you soon.